Isim tebedi egwu di oli n'obodo a. Oba egwu ngugu obi, oba egwu mkpasu iwe, kunu sim tewe n'etiti ọgbọ nke a obi tara mmiri. Ọgbọ ndị ọnụ na-eru n'okwu jiri iwufu ọbara ndị ha ka ike wee tọọ ntọala ocheeze ha. Ọgbọ ndị chi gọziri na-achọghị ka chi gọzie onye ọzọ. Ọgbọ ndị a na-ele anya ịbụ ndị nche n'obodo ha ghọrọ ndị dọkpụrụ obodo ha n'agha nyefọ ha. Ọgbọ arụ dị n'ime obodo mpụ. Imeela ka mbegide akwa bego olu m n'ihi ihe ọjọọ m hụrụ n'ime gị.
Everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be watching from. I am Okuloro Andy Igbo, and I am broadcasting from Enugu. I'm not in diaspora, so whatever information I pass today, I'm sure you are going to take it very serious. Sleeping and waking up in Igbo land today takes grace of God. Igbo land is becoming northern Nigeria. Igbo land is becoming northeast. Igbo land is turning to Maiduguri. It's turning to some of the worst places in Africa, in Nigeria. I don't know where we'll go from here. And I made mention of Igbo governors. Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, Willie Obiano, if you are the agent, you can communicate my message to them. Hope Uzodimma. And of course, Dave Umahi and Okezie Ibazo. All of them are useless. All of them are irresponsible. People are being killed on a daily basis in Igbo land. As at this morning, they were gunshot in Imo State. There is insecurity in Enugu, and all governor of Enugu State could do is to block independence layout, is to block Bisala Road. Enugu State Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, in search of personal security, blocked a major road in Enugu. And they say a leader leads by example. A leader leads by example. A leader lives by example. Who is a leader? A leader is a person, a character, a personality that is ready, willing to die for the people he is serving or presiding over or leading. But Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, the governor of Enugu State, is so irresponsible that he blocked Bisala Road in Enugu. He put maximum security there for himself. Whether people are being maimed, killed, terrorized in Enugu, it's not a concern of Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, the governor of Enugu State. And who are the people who made Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi governor? You and I, all of us. Due to the much we are in stupidity, due to the much we've soaked ourselves in stupidity. And to cap things up, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, maybe the worst governor in the history of Enugu State, is going to go to Senate. What about Imo State? Devastation. What about Abia State? Nothing to write home about. What about Abia State? Ebonyi State? Terrorism. What about Anambra? Anambra is becoming the unbecome. Anambra is becoming something else. And people are scared to talk. Hey, they say if you talk, DSS are going to come. If you don't talk one day, you are going to die. If you talk one day as well, you are going to die. Hausa people are negotiating for their brothers who are terrorists. Yoruba people are protecting their own. Why our Igbo governors? They colluded, they collided, and killed one of us, Ikonso. I don't know Ikonso, I've not seen him before. Until death, I don't know who Ikonso is. But Ikonso is an Igbo man fighting on the side of Igbo people. He didn't kill anybody. The job of Ikonso is to ensure that Fulani people did not continue to kill our people. He was killed, I think 2 days ago. He was killed. And according to intelligence, Southeast governors, they were aware, they were those who sabotage, who call Nigeria security, whatever nonsense they are. And that young man is dead. Somebody like Sheku Gumi or whoever he is a political negotiator. He's in northern Nigeria. I don't know where we go from here. Moving about in Enugu is risky. Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi, and all that. And people were scared of talking. They say, oh, Kulora, don't talk about ESN. Don't talk about the governor. Don't talk about Biafra. If you do, you are going to be killed. I said, what do we live for if we can't make changes? If you can't make impact, what are we living for? Ozemena wan sube. Ayakan and sube. He said, Nandi Ibade chekwi fefanwe, chekwa Igbo people. You know, this is not one of the regular days I praise you. Today, I tell you the truth. Igbo people are terrible. A lot of Igbo people are nonsensical. That is why. Some Igbo people are going to come and tell me, yeah, governor is going to kill you. Governor is going to send the SS to come. Governor is going to deal with me because you never, and will never protect me. Who is a governor? Governor of Enugu State to Anambra, Abia, whoever he is not going to leave government house to come and attack me. He'll give some of you money. He'll give some of you money and tell you to go and shoot Okulaura, to stab Okulaura, to do this and that to Okulaura. And foolishly, as a cost person, as cost people, that a lot of us are, you take money from the oppressor, you go against your fellow oppressed. All of us are suffering. There is no electricity. I am running generator in 2021. And some of us are some of us are incredibly stupid. You are warming up for Anambra election in 2021. Who are you going to vote for? Ifeanyi Uba. Same people, salute all of them. All the idiots in Anambra, they do not care about insecurity in Anambra. They do not care to know that students are running away from Iwariam. They do not care to peer, to know, to understand, to fight the plight of people in Onitsha. I was born and raised in Onitsha. Onitsha is my home, but going to Onitsha is a problem. You can't go to Onitsha and walk away freely. The crime rate in Onitsha is too much. William Obiano doesn't care. People are being killed. People are being raped in Enugu State. Enugu State governor currently is sponsoring Fulani herdsmen. Go and tell Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, the governor of Enugu State, that your Kulo Randi Igbo. I am saying so. I'm not in Canada. I'm not in the USA. I'm not in the UK. As in how long are we going to continue to live in fear? To run away from the truth? What about Hope Uzodimma? Hope Uzodimma will end up as the worst governor in the history of Igbo land, or Southeast, or Old Eastern region. But to tell you how bad, how poor, how unserious, how irredeemable, how indescribable, for all the wrong reasons that our people are. Hope Uzodimma is going to win the election again in Imo State. Hope Uzodimma is going to go to Senate. Hope Uzodimma is going to become whatever he wants to become. So far, Nigeria continues to exist because people cannot reason. I went to collect an award on Saturday somewhere in Enugu here. And all the people there, all the speakers, you left your speech. You should be giving a speech. You should be encouraging students of post science there. Anybody who gets mic will be there, President Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi. Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi did that, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi did that. But the topic is how to encourage students of political science. I was brave enough to tell them this is not why we are here. We are here to set record. We are here to say things the way they are. How do we go about this? Where do we go from here? Sunday Igboho is there. Pantami or whoever, the communication minister of this taboo, this contraption, this irredeemable place called Nigeria is there. Sheikh Gumi is an individual who take money from federal government and give to terrorists. Sheikh Gumi continue to be the chief negotiator between the irresponsible government of Nigeria and Boko Haram, Al-Qaeda, and Hezbollah, all of them. Sheikh Gumi is there. And Southeast governors colluded. They came together. And they formed a force that killed their own, Ikonso. I saw the news. I don't know him. I've never seen him before. I don't even know him before death. Sometimes people become more popular when they die than they were when they were alive. It's a shame. Ikonso never killed anybody. I've never had Ikonso did this or did that. But he was killed in Imo State on Sunday. There is insecurity. People were calling me last night. Do a broadcast. Tell our people, do not come to Imo State. As at 2 a.m. last night, gunshot everywhere. You have your parents, your children, your uncle, your aunt, your grants are in Imo State. You're in diaspora. Where do we go from here? Call me on 09017342796, 081-1734-2796. Ikonso is not a terrorist. Ikonso is not a murderer. Ikonso, from all indications, is not a killer. Ikonso is a defender of his motherland, his fatherland. Ikonso is a guy who is tired of watching Fulani herdsmen kill our parents, take over our farmlands, and impose authority on all of us. And I will so see Kwankwas, all of them, T.Y. Danjuma, all of them. They come together, Yakubu Lawan, they come together. They call their terror groups. They call them, they give them money. Even they might still end up advising them to do more. So they get money from federal government. Our people are not that corrupt. Yoruba people, even the governors, the senators are praising. They are defending their own. Sunday Igbo. What happens to our people? What happens to Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? What happens to Leti Ikonso? What happens to thousands of Igbo people who were killed for asking questions, normal questions? People who were killed for asking why there is no electricity, no running water, no employment, no good school, no hospital. Thousands of them are dead. And a lot of us are looking for visa to run to Canada. You need visa to run to Hong Kong. Your parents are in Igbo land. I can assure you, I've told my people, I've told everybody who wants to listen, do not move about. There should be no interstate movement at this point. The insecurity is at the zenith of it. It's at the height of it. If we fail to do something at this time, I do not know where we'll go from here. The interest of all Igbo politicians is 2023 elections. George Obiozo, whoever that dirty, stinking old man is, sitting at the capacity of President General Hannes Igbo, is a very useless man. Ifanyo Bastelo Dua Uche Kunife, Chimaro Kennamane, Chukwuko Tazi, Ike Kwere Mado, all of them, Tio George Sokalo, Obinoba, all of them. These people mean no well. The suffering is too much. We are not employed. Nothing is happening for ordinary Igbo man, for typical Igbo man. And they've brought death upon us. Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? I'm going to go to the phone line and see opinion of our people. Caller from UK. Good afternoon.
Yeah, my good brother. I greet you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, I want
Thank you.
Okuro one nam ya drege man like program one on a tobum. Because I went there they can get like 4 or 5 na Liban. I don't think na I think Sigana at least I can wait till Sigana Ganiru.
Yes.
The other go the chicken and Kiji.
Thank you, one.
My brother.
Thank you. I will continue.
So yeah. I'm the choice to you on this thing now. We have a southeast time. The other go. So Iman and the Igbo had happy here kwesịrị imeme ha na happy ihe ha kwesịrị imeme ihe na-ekwesịghị ime.
Yes.
Brother,
let me tell you, enwere insecurity na Enugu. Nobody is safe in Enugu. If a governor mebo, ije if a block ụzọ niile pass through government house to make sure that the attack, leaving over 5 million people in Enugu at risk. Who does that, brother? A leader is a person willing to die for the people. Brother, if I'm the governor of Enugu State, it makes me a leader. Governor block over. People are vulnerable. People are exposed. And nobody's talking in Enugu. I think DSS, police, military. I was at state CID yesterday. Police, if I meet them, seem not going about Kulor and CIS. Or seem you are doing well. I wouldn't go to police station. I was at state CID yesterday.
Of course.
No. I am asking why nothing is functional where I come from. The 5 eastern governors, the 15 senators, what are they doing with our resources? Why are they allowing our people to die because of their political ambition that will end up without fruit? Brother, I am boiling. I don't know.
Okurora, ihe hụrụ na-emekọta awụ ihe awa agreement ihe na ndị ugwu sando dị afia ha achọghị betray ndị ugwu because of na nkwa ha kwere ndị ugwu ịghọtago and ihe a now enwere something dị hidden because I chọpụtara na enwere something dị hidden in this governance na agwa all this southeast governance na agwa their people which I know no one enwe something hidden or enwe agreement before with ndị ugwu. All these things I don't think na ha ga keep silent over it. I don't see the reason why mmadụ ga-eji wuru governor na state. Something you cannot come out, you cannot command, you cannot give a command to protect your people. Instead, they now protect
brother, none of them is
so that means
none of them is issuing a
these
statement.
people,
None of them.
These people, okay, now imagine since how many days now, if we go here many more states, since how many days? But the governor are not around. Or not around the here in up to now, governor actually lot na state, yeah. Go back here na state, or actually lot, go back money, campaign since how many days now, I didn't Abuja de Copa. So these people, how agreement with Ndugu and all that thing they don't want to.
Brother, the truth is Ndugu or no. Whenever we wake up on a normal day, and your people in Abuja, you can never. In fact, the only time who opposed to the man at Imo State, Beburi and Ozu, no opposed to the man should not come to Imo State alive, brother. On a backward since today, brother. Igbo people got free for them Safia. Brother, you don't live forever. Die for something rather than living for nothing. I want to die for something.
Yes, of course.
One day you die. What's the essence of being overprotective? People are being killed on a daily basis. And military, when they kill you, brother, listen to me, when they kill you, they take your body away. I am challenging Nigerian military, Nigerian Defense Forces, Air Force, all of them. Are you happy? Military man, what is your salary? Are you happy?
Ka ngwazie nke weziokwu ịma sense mere travel adịmekwa agwa ndị mmadụ na ụmụ Nigeria because of the condition of the country. Ịghọtago? Ana m agwa ndị mmadụ country ije ụmụ ebe ole nwa ana m agwa ha na ụmụ South Africa because of gịnị aha anyị adịghị mma n'obodo oyibo. Okay, na cheke na as a citizen of Nigeria ka ihe m ga-eji ka ihe ga-apụta chile maka ọrụ ụmụ m na ihe m benefit na country nshi n'ime pụta. With the age m nọ na with age m nọ na and how long mmadụ sọfrala n'ụzọ ije. Just to make it. And the end of the day, tatakwa fu olotakwa. Iga ankwa he were kwe ndu uwe ji ha were ndege ne ha na achụgharịkwa onye ahụ.
Brother from UK, thank you very much.
The thing, all the very bad.
It is very, very important that we wake up. I'm sure that the police are watching me, the military of Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Air Force, the Navy, anybody, the civil defense, the road safety, anybody you are, vigilante, all of you. I love you. I care about you. I love defenders a lot. Once you are security personnel, I love you because it takes a lot to risk your life to defend others. It takes a lot. Military man, superintendent, major general, look at yourself. Police inspector, look at yourself. Are you happy? Look at your wife. Look at your children. Are you happy? Your salary might not be 80,000 naira per month. You and your wife and your 4 kids are living in one room. Not enough ventilation, dirty toilet. You cannot afford a decent school for your children. Oga policeman, Oga army, Oga road safety, Oga civil defense. Look at yourself. Do you have a decent house in the village? Do you have a decent car? Are you not suffering? Are you not tired? Look at me. I am Okulora. If I die today, if I die tomorrow, because of this broadcast, I have no regrets. Don't even cry for me. At some point, somebody needs to step up. 82 division, whatever battalion. Look at yourself, military man. Are you happy? DSS, SSS, bodyguard, the governor, bodyguard, the senator. Are you happy? How much is your salary? What about your children? Do you have life? What happens when you retire as a policeman? Is there proper retirement plan for the French forces in Nigeria? Who made your life miserable? Not me, not the here. Those who made your life miserable are the senators, those in state assembly, the governors, the ministers, the presidency. They stole your wealth away and stupidly, shamelessly, you escort them, take your wealth to US, to UK, to Qatar, to UAE. Where do we go from here? I do not know. Let's go to South Korea and see. Caller from South Korea. Good afternoon. Are you there?
Hello?
I greet you, brother. Good afternoon from South Korea.
Good afternoon.
Are you there? Good afternoon.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Good afternoon.
Hi, people. I'm from Korea.
Yes.
For a while now, I've been observing your program and watching and listening.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So, this recent ihe na-eme, m ga-like ikulu to obele down, address it to some little issues anyị have not really gone to.
Okay.
I work in a military laboratory here in Korea. So the issue with ihe ji bai bụkwanụ na ndị bai dị well ngasị no stupid. If youths Enugu had the after ije na-eme NSAS a na-agba egbe court eme arụ aye men mana in the schools aka na-eme sorting. Gini ji youths focus on those lecturers, those honorables, those people that they know are in power and counter them. I keep saying, Gini ji youths rise against all those all those small things. A governor na-achị ndị ọ na-achị aghọ ihe ọ na-aghọ. Youths are there after kwuru n'iru toll gate a na-agba ha egbe. They are not afraid to die. Mana ha ma-apụta n'iru ndị ji ndụ ha, their livelihood, gwa ha this is wrong or this is a bad thing. You know, ụmụ nwoke karị young men aka siri ike agbawa na awọ ha pụta go yes men, I ask men. They are not afraid to die for nonsense, but they are willing to live under oppression. You know?
Yes.
So on a more serious note, obuna all the possible, as you are doing it now, I will keep sharing because once you host here now, share.
Thank you very much.
Nigeria did too bad that na ndị Korea na ada asụ English well. Na-ebu news Nigeria na asụsụ be ha. That's not there.
Nigeria is that bad. It's that bad.
Since all the so bad now that if you read their news in their language, they advise their people not to go there. Currently, Ghana be able Twitter. Ghana, there are critical things that should have come to our to buy that is going to Rwanda, Ghana, all those places because of the image created by
It's a shame. Brother, my special concern today is 5 Eastern governors. Hope Odemma, Okezie Ibazu, Dave Omahi, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, and Willie Obiano. These people shouldn't be alive. They don't deserve to be alive. They are very irresponsible. These people are causing hundreds of people deaths every day. Brother, there is nothing functional in Igbo land. And people are not talking. People are not protesting. Brother, it is a mistake. It is a mistake to vote wrong person in power. It is a bigger mistake to allow that person to remain in power. These people shouldn't be there. These people shouldn't be here at all.
We have people. I were people that could convince people to talk and revolt, challenge them by either by instead people like Gerafia, Mbaka, our pastors, instead of talking and leading protests or like pushing people, this is wrong. Instead of project Sunday, so see
brother from Korea, we are in trouble. Thank you very much. We are in South Korea. Are you calling from?
I'm calling from Gumi. Abambu Ugonia Mazi.
Ugo Korea, thank you very much. Ugoniana Korea, thank you very much. Far away, east of Asia. Where do we go from here? I do not know where we go from here. Afuronya call is becoming too much. Somebody's asking reason for the killings in Igbo land. There is anarchy. Currently, there is no order. There is no law. There is no order. There is anarchy in Igbo land. And what causes anarchy is bad governance. When the center can no longer hold, people will disobey. And there would be anarchy. That is why there is gunshot everywhere in Imo State. There is fear in Enugu State. There are killings in Anambra State. There are killings in Ebonyi State. There are uncertainties in Ebonyi State. and all our leaders, the supposed leaders in Igbo land could do is to come together at the government house in Enugu to concoct what they call a bubagu or whatever. And they did sabotage a brother, Ikonso, who was killed by murderous military of Nigeria. And once again, I'm asking, Nigerian Defense Forces, the Air Force, the military, the police, the civil defense, the mobile police, all the security apparatus in Nigeria, DSS, and the governors are why you are serving. Some of you shouldn't be in the military. Some of you went to military, the police, due to poverty, due to hunger. You went to police due to unemployment. Normally, you shouldn't be a policeman. Being a policeman, a military man, was not your plan. It wasn't your dream. But due to unemployment, poverty, hunger, devastation, you went to police. And the same oppressed, they are using you to oppress the fellow oppressed. You know, they use you to subjugate, to kill, to man, to harass, to brutalize your fellow oppressed. These things are happening in Nigeria. Everyone before say, Nigeria jurudo na FIFA John anya. Nigeria jurudo wena hui ojo na anya one ute mkpurobim. Anya mmiri juru manya. Oba kwa kam nebe. Anya mmiri na gbamo. Obude kam na sunezia. Osi Chineke bia gugu anya obi. Na anya mmiri juru aya anya. I am Okulora and Igbo. I am very, very different. I am unique in many ways, for many reasons. I am fearless and I am ever ready to die for what I believe in. Whatever your opinion is, you keep it for yourself. I am telling you my opinion. Our first problem, our first mistake was allowing these idiots become governors and senators in Igbo land. People who should not be alive, people who should never have existed. All of them are beefing up their security. All of them are bringing thousands more security to protect them and their families. They do not care about the people they took out of office to defend, the citizenry. They do not care. That is why there is go slow anywhere. In Enugu, let's go to Turkey and see. Caller from Turkey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I am Okulora.
I greet you. Thank you very much.
I may follow your program always, so I like it.
Thank you.
You see, because the mother get on about.
Thank you, man.
So, yeah, young what it's here no na this issue now, because I watch in by na social media because I'm mostly in the outside then with the updates steady.
Yes.
So that is and when nke my work like this, that is nase or gini kedi which can contribute this. You understand?
Yes.
Because if you travel from other countries, if in Nigeria, that is one abanya mmiri.
It's a shame.
Iji Nigeria any problem, iji go any problem, no security, no good roads, no good hospitality, nothing.
Brother, let me tell you, the core duty of a governor is to protect lives and property. If Okulora is the governor of Enugu State, because I took a note of office to defend the population of Enugu. If Ugwan is hiding, all the governors, small post of them in Abuja, all of them are running, leaving the people they should be defending to die. I do not know where we'll go from here. And if something is not urgently done, I'm sure, brother, in Turkey, it will turn worse. Igbo land, don't even come. Nobody should plan coming back. It's not safe at all. It's not.
Yes. All these governors, all these senators, do you understand me? All these governors, all these senators, hello?
Yes, go ahead.
All these governors, all these senators, all these politicians, the youths should start going one by one to their houses, to the government house. You understand? Because these people are the cause of the in Nigeria. Let the youth.
Brother, Anambra campaign. Let me tell you before you continue. Anambra election campaign is ongoing amidst insecurity and killings. EJB fan you campaign now. And with thousands of youths there. Uche Kunifene campaign. There are thousands of youths there. For those who are asking why Mazin Nandekano is taking him time to reactualize Biafra, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu alone cannot give Biafra. Biafra can only come when all of us are tired. When no game everybody voluntarily came out. So some people are stupidly castigating, sleeping. You're waiting for Mazin Nnamdi Kanu to blow trumpet to Biafra. You come to Biafra. No, all of us are going to be tired at once. All of us are going to come out. We are going to outnumber and overpower our oppressors. That is how you gain your freedom, brother. It's not just talking and then sitting back. You want to be free. Freedom is very, very expensive. It comes at the cost of blood, thousands of blood. Ask any country in the world that passed through such. They will tell you how many thousands of people they lost in the process. I am not saying we are going to lose people, but we need to be civil. We need to be sensible.
Yes.
Very important. If you open up political campaign now, nobody will go there. That is the sign of improvement. Now we're going somewhere. As it is, brother.
Yes.
I do not know where we go from here. Go ahead.
So, like in you now, this political campaign now, only obla stay at home. Nobody will go. You understand me?
Yes.
Otana 2023 election now. Nobody will attend the election. Anybody with there, say anything with there, say piazza. You understand me? In fact, the thing that Nigeria is irritating. Honestly,
thank you very much, brother.
It's irritating.
Thank you very much. We are talking about 2021 global elections in Anambra, and I can assure you, this is 2021. The war for who becomes governor of Enugu State in 2023, which is 2 years to come, is ongoing already. The people in power do not care about the plight of people. There is no water in Enugu. There is no employment. Nothing is working in Enugu. There is no capital project in Enugu under the regime of Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi. There is no meaningful project. And he's over 6 years in office already. What they are thinking, Onye Nkano ga-abụ governor, Onye Enugu West, Onye Enugu Nka. These are some of the senseless stories coming out of Enugu. And a lot of people want me to be happy. A lot of people want me to be excited. A lot of people are going to die of depression in Nigeria before December because there is no hope. And there is no sign that things are going to improve. Nigeria was built to fail. Nigeria was built to crumble. When you are a policeman in Nigeria and they tell you, go and kill them, go and shoot them, go and arrest them, ask yourself, being a policeman, a defender of Federal Republic of Nigeria, a man who put himself in the line, serving Nigeria, how much is your salary? What is your retirement benefit? What happens when you retire? What about pension and gratuity? Are they going to pay you? Look at your apartment where you are living. Is it conducive? Is this the dream you have growing up? What about your family? Your children? What type of meal are they eating? What type of school are they going to? Your governor in the son has no Dubai, on America, on Qatar, on the UAE. You are there defending them. You are shooting innocent people, protecting a man who made laws that made your life miserable. I don't know where we'll go from here. I'm going to South Africa. Good afternoon.
Hello?
Good afternoon, brother.
Oh, Kulola. Email.
Ademma, thank you. You are talking to Kulola. Thank you very much.
One mmadụ. Asị m ka m try kwata maka ọ na-eme mkpọgide adụm enweta.
You are here, brother. You are here now.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm very happy maka na oge ọbụla m na-ege ife ị na-ekwu ọ na-eme ka ezigbo sense nwa ọsị mba. Na mma akpọ maka na onye na-ekwu maka ọdịmma anyị nọ asị na onye ọbụla na-agba mbọ ka ọdụ mma na ọ na-agbala ọla.
Thank you.
So mụ asọpọtụrụ m ife anụ m akpọ from South Africa afa m bụ Chinedu ọnwa Atuelo. Abụ m onye ọzọ ụbụlụ. Yeah, so I'm very very happy because ife gbasara gọvanọ ọsụ a ọ na-esu anyị afụlụ anyị na-agbakọkwa isi na South Africa na-atụ alụ ife gbasara anyị na ndị gọvanọ anyị ejekwa because onye nwawo problem enwere ebe na abidola na gọvanọ na-akpọ president ọ ga-enye anyị nsogbu. Ọ ga-enye ezigbo nsogbu because ha sitiri comfortable anaghị blame president alone. So ihe gbasara gọvanọ onye ọbụla n'idiri ịma na ọnya with the serious problem anyị nwe maka anyị deal with the governor senator wey a minor issue.
Brother, I'm telling you, anything federal government actually they collaborate with our governors. If not, governors should come and defend us. Governors should come and defend. Mbu governor Enugu, obuna mwabokuru governor Enugu. Buhari send the India maybe about people Enugu, mma no chuzo. You have to shoot me before you shoot my people. What was the man on Abuja? On Abuja, now where we Imo State. Where do we go from here?
Even that is the thing he need. This program Basalo governor, this particular topic here. He need to continue with it because our Babylon people don't our problem who our governors, no, bro, only our president.
Oh, our governor.
Oh, our governor, because someone will interview Ngelemel, president China, na United States. And the other battle, our people, no clue that now our people need to hold our governors accountable.
Even Buhari, brother, Buhari is not any concern. We should tell our governors.
Yes.
The only thing, brother, the only thing the governors are they use us to negotiate their personal interest in Abuja. They use us to negotiate.
So I have the clip Ogo that interview. So this is the thing that we need to focus because they are dealing with us more than president.
Yes, I can agree.
Yeah, so continue. That thing need really our people on.
Thank you very much.
Only really our people on our show one day more. Let me not take our time, but I'm very impressed. I'm very happy.
Thank you very much. I am happy that you called me. Do South Africa. Thank you very much. Where do we go? Where do we go? There are too many calls. Where do I go? Who do I talk to? There is a call from Malaysia. Caller from Malaysia. Good afternoon.
Yeah. All
the money in Malaysia. Can I do go dogu?
Dalo one name. Ozigi dia man no my brother.
Thank you, brother.
Even alonsi they were alonsi kanto abuna. Only here on I because if on a Ghana dem market name a revolution. Jerry Lawrence me revolution. Abuna game revolutions also southeast only. We keep wondering now what you go
brother from South Africa. When people get tired, when people are fed up, they come out. Exactly. Any day people are tired, the way I'm tired, everybody come out. Brother, I am ready. I am Okulor, I mean Enugu. I am ready to die this minute for what I believe in. I am tired of suffering. I am tired of seeing people suffer. One day, I'm 80 years in our one anya mmiri gba gị n'anya mmadụ one ka ị ga-ego enwere much ana m ekekata ego na-ebe akwa people are dying in the hospital brother because they cannot pay for card 2,000 naira onye agbanwere card 2,000 akwụkwọ ụgwọ n'ọgwụ brother a country as wealthy as Nigeria medical whatever should be free mmanụ a na-ere mmanụ niile a na-ere everyday ka ebe ego ya dị everyday emere bupụrụ mmanụ ka ebe ego ya dị brother these are questions you ask yourself.
Ndị a na-eburu ego niile anyị nwere wee na-ebuga ugwu Awụsa ego niile chi South East ebuga oke na mechi na-arụ train station kịta onwere nke arụrụ na South East onwere ezigbo train station nọ na South also North ka a na-edevelop ezigbo train station onwere ezigbo ife amechi na-arụ na bai. This is what we have to do. Ndị ọchịchị niile bụ chi South wee pụta ka ekpochapụ ha ma ha ma ezinụlọ ha ekpochapụ ha efu egwu.
Brother, one day people are going to be fed off and people are going to ask questions. People are going to come out. Thank you very much, caller from South Africa. Things are going to be right only when people are tired of suffering. As it is, more number of us, I'm sure thousands, millions of us are ready to ask questions of the elected officials, but more number, maybe 30% are saying already, but 70% are still insane. Because I'm watching thousands of people follow Uche Ekwunife, follow Ifeanyi Uba for a campaign in Anambra State. People who have been in power. Uche Ekwunife have been senator for so many years. Uche Ekwunife have been in politics for so many years. What are the impacts of Uche Ekwunife? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Ifeanyi Ugwanyi in 2021 is already fighting with Ike Ekweremadu. Ifeanyi Ugwanyi is sharing billions. Ike Ekweremadu is sharing billions. These are money that should be used to improve lives of citizens of Enugu. Everybody wants to be governor of Enugu State in 2023. A place where people are sane, a place where people are reasonable, a place where people think, a place where you have analytical and critical thinkers. People are going to sit back and we can be father or I think I told you vote to defend their vote to Amalifa game. But our people are sellouts. None of us. Only few of us here can say no to 5,000 naira or 1 million naira bribe. A lot of us, if 1 million on our opinion, our view, our perspective is going to quickly change due to money. That is why we are where we are today. That is why there is no change. That is why we continue to talk without positive result or result at all. That is why we are living in darkness. That is why there is uncertainty everywhere. That is why a governor will be terrible. He win election again. A terrible governor. How come he was re-elected? A terrible governor. How come after 8 years as a governor, he went to National Assembly? After 4 years, he was re-elected. He's there in National Assembly. How come? Who does the magic? Black people. I don't know where we'll go from here. I don't know. Let's go to Netherlands. Brother, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Okulora.
Good afternoon.
I greet you, my brother.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Adam.
Yes. Afambo Mako. Ezigbo iwe na-enwe ezigbo iwe na-enwe every blessed day. Ezigbo iwe na-enwe ezigbo iwe na-enwe Why Eastern governors ji bulu the most useless people ever in the entire human race?
They are very useless.
Eh?
They are useless.
How can a sitting governor be on his seat and authorize his citizens and he cannot do a damn?
He cannot say anything.
He cannot say anything. He cannot say anything. The problem I was say Eastern region, but I in fact I am for a while and I am very selfish and greedy. I am very greedy. How can you care for a man? You care for a man has been in that seat for over 20 years and he still wants to go back and nobody is talking.
Brother, Ike Ekweremadu is not going back. Ike Ekweremadu is campaigning to be the governor of Enugu State in 2023. And they have started their campaign already. He wants to be governor of Enugu.
What have he done? What impact has he created to his constituency for the past 18 years? Look at Enugu on the road. This one has been embezzling the money for the past 18 years and nobody cares and nobody wants to ask. The other day I saw a lady that was pregnant and she died along that road because of the galloping along that road. But these people they still want to be a governor. For what? For what reason?
Brother, funny enough, thousands of our youths are already campaigning for them. So you see why we are where we are today.
That's why they useless. That's what I'm saying.
Our youths are useless.
I saw mess. They are useless. Uche wants to be a governor. You have been a senator for the past. On the Garapol, this Enugu State. On the Garapol, Eastern State. Also, how a Garapol.
Something I find difficult to comprehend.
Until we, the eastern part of the country, wake up, until we wake up and decided everyone that has been in political office for one tenure will never contest again.
Brother, Igbo youths with one voice can give order. If you have been a Nigerian politician before, in fact, get out. Nobody's going to kill you.
Get out.
I'm not a preacher of kill. Go away,
No,
buy tickets, go somewhere, do not come back. Can I try to tell something new? Go away.
Exactly. Until we wake up and say, we are not want anybody that has been in political office for the next
after 20 years in Senate, you want to be governor of the state.
For what? Get the email Enugu State. Get the email his constituency. Get the female. Uzadro everywhere. For what? Okay, Igbo senator for the past 18 years. It was the Igbo governor. So I'm able to governor.
Brother, Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway in a year. Agbage mmadụ onye na-anwụ na that ozi in a year. I wonder, brother, ana m ajụ gị, ka ife ga-eme one day ka ndị be anyị iwe. Achọ me situation. Oliver Dikokwe na-asị anọkata ife mee ka people wee mụrụ anya, ka people wee iwe. Ya na anọkata ka ife mee. O nwere ife mebe n'obodo our people are never waking up, brother. Our people are not waking up.
Can you imagine a youth who wake up and they campaign your success?
Brother, let me tell you, don't talk. They are going to come after you. Governors are not going to come after me. I said, take 1,000, go and shoot this guy. Izuzuru. Oh, nwa Chineke ka mbọ. Enwere m security. Eji m ụkwụ aga. Ana m aba keke. I'm everywhere. Onye ọkara obi. Chika ọkpara si na onye gburu mmadụ ibi ya si ya jebe na ọ na-abịa. One day you are going to come and meet me where I am. So if you think you shoot me, you do it. One day. Even when you are, brother, always age no why. Now you're the Chineke ke nwo. I'm there waiting for you. Irresponsible idiots.
Look at thousands. Look at Hope Uzodoma. Look at Hope Uzodoma. He has made the Imo State a unrest. And what does this mean? Because just wap away again, wap away again, Kina Chizi, impress or the caliphate, and now was impress or her, and then make him give in our law of Fuma. Nah, I'm gonna be penny up. Or Chukalmukalunda. I'm not getting him.
Brother, black people, black Africans were a problem, and I had thought about a reason. I am mother why. I'm on a heat in a mine, and I know which is our bread. Okay, generator noise. Where we live in on each brother. If you want to have a family meeting, you need to wait until 4 in the morning. Ka fuel go chana generator on the mother noise will reduce. Because on your better number of 2 liters, or buy a generator, bend the air bend. Go wiki so catalu 2 in my
It's terrible.
Or quadro, no ventilation,
It's
nothing.
Terrible.
And then when governor after governor, governor after governor, senator after senator.
It's terrible.
Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much for calling me. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Where do we go? I'm going to take 2 or 3 more calls before I greet you for being here today. There are too many calls, so it is very, very difficult to get to everybody. It's impossible. It is impossible. So continue to call. One day you are going to get on board. Let's go to, should we go to India or let's go to UK and see? Call up from UK. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, brother.
Good afternoon. Odogu. Oh, the man one name Dalo.
Oh, Dalo, my brother.
Dalo.
Na ihe niile. My brother, Nigeria is just a very stupid country.
Yes.
Oh, we have watched yesterday. A man, the man is feeling bad. You're doing why you work out a bank. Sign your check. Why you work a bank, withdraw your with a Burunga hospital. The boy a bank to withdraw the money. He couldn't. The cashier see no but tampaya hona de ya bank. How possible is that? But the boy finally went. Moto bank. FCMD. Na Port Harcourt ka ihe mere. FCMD na location. Ruo ebe ahụ. Kpọrọ the man nọ n'ime taxi. The boy aba bank say my father nọ n'ime taxi. Tell ka mba. This was how they were frustrating that boy. The father nwụọ n'ime moto.
Jesus Christ.
Yesterday ka ihe mere. The father anwụọ n'ime moto. And the man was dead inside the car. The bank was still functioning. What the police did was when they came, they chased people out from there. You can imagine the thinking of Nigeria.
Brother, in actual sense, do you really need money to go to hospital in a place like Nigeria?
I don't know. Because the country itself is a piece of garbage. You can imagine all these politicians. They are out there enjoying their money. Ahụrụ m Rogers Okorocha and Yeso Wike na a social app na Facebook. Ebe ha abụọ tege egwu. At the end of the day, they were, both of them were dancing and drinking together. Ọkwa onye nke a this party, onye nke a and all the at the end of the day, ha si na mmadụ abụọ na-eko
ọkwa APC na PDP na-aṅụ mmanya na-agba egwu.
Of course. Yes, now, Eme had the stupid youth that will fall victim. Eke have 5,000 to 2,000. Gano Gaburu pilot box. At the end of the day, they will kill you and you will die of. The following day, you will meet them. Either they will go to US or any country or Dubai with their normal place. They will still meet and drink. People forgot that APC came out from PDP.
Yes.
They are the same people.
And they are switching camp. They are switching from here to here, here to here.
Of course, they are just using the brain of the stupid ones that they use. Because sometimes I feel for our youth. I'm here our youth in a meme. I won't go then I been as a bribe working.
Brother from UK, you are talking about Nyesom Wike and Richard Sokorocha. What about Dino Melaye? Name Kata. Oje Bota Dele Momodu. A man no de Dele Momodu. I been a video watch. Dino Melaye with more than 100 watches. I know a video moto na machine on Aba. A video say a post on a social media. Brother, Kogi State is one of the worst states in Nigeria. Dino Melaye served them at the capacity of Senate, a senator. Opposed to that in the social media, favor you to praise here, living to enjoy his life. Did you give him money and all that? A senator.
Imagine, you can imagine Rochas in Imo State. Yeah, who the state money. They are just using people and dumping them. Our youth are there misbehaving. Here now, I don't know if you see OTP here, stop all these politicians. You will see our youth that will go behind to start fighting you that is trying to stop the politicians from what they are doing.
It's a shame, brother from UK. Thank you very much. I am rounding up. Thank you very much. I'm going to be quick, and then sometime we see. I'm going to man up fuel, and this is an emergency broadcast, so I could not go to buy fuel. There is no electricity. There is never electricity. As always, there is no electricity. And you wonder how people survive when there is no electricity. This issue of insecurity is causing me grievous concern. You might be in America, Canada, Australia, Denmark, Malaysia, Indonesia. You have a family down here. And what becomes of them? What if a stray bullet or something? What if they are affected by insecurity? What are you going to do? Who are you going to call? How are you going to feel? That is why you need to weigh into this conversation. Good afternoon.
Hello?
Good afternoon, brother.
Hello, good afternoon, Okurora. Biko, ano mi hene na Nigeria, even self the thing on me family affect now.
Sorry.
My brother been Oka for the past 2 weeks because I know a killing. For the past 2 weeks, I know be from him
Jesus
and Obi Oka.
Jesus Christ.
A young boy of 20.
You need to send me his information and picture. I will go public. I will announce the name and post his picture. Actually, because all the 2 weeks, 1 month to 2 months is going to be worse. We need to get into work immediately. Anyway, so much insecurity now. Come and the court to my face. A lot of people now. A lot. And the chukwe kona kan one negi solo. Yes. So, but we need to spring into action immediately.
I'm telling you, only all are the confused. We get send the information.
Please.
Yeah, my number, my
please. It's important you do.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. By the special grace of God, in private, I solved more than 200 problems in 2021. Through phone call, I've been able to settle issues in diaspora. Through phone call, I've been able to get people to pay people the money they are owing them. Most times, I don't do it all. I am a single man. I have a lot of things to do. My health is very poor. So, upon maybe your case address, you should understand that I'm incapacitated. Otherwise, it is impossible for me to do all that. But the little mego, by the special grace of God, I'm a 90% success. And I will continue to do the much that I can. So, I don't break down in the process one day. I am Okulora. Let's go to +18 and see. Good afternoon.
Yeah, hello.
Good afternoon, brother.
Yeah, good afternoon, brother.
Please move away from your listening device. I can hear myself. Switch off your listening device or move away, please.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can clearly. Go ahead. Where are you calling from, brother?
Okay, I'm calling from United States.
Thank you very much.
One day, I know here na Abana Halibo Kita. Makikunso Eburebu.
Yes.
Because between the to everybody, because Emetola Hayaka Nobi. Emena Yejiba Kanobi. Him Chore Bote Wokurora. Talk to the Igbo youth. Ninenudia. But everybody, the time has come. Let them come. Let them know this is Onyala Lao. So, Elazo Wong. Haigana Gani. That attack be drawn. Without violence, no any international community will come to Nigeria. Yes. Without look at Abazonia now. Do you know that in my hand Abazonia now? We wrote to word elejamana agbazi onye anya so anyị nọ n'ụkwa na-ekpe ekpere everyday na-asa anyị were useless pastors na-edizivu anyị ka anyị na-eme fasting na-ekpe ekpere ladies na lie nye niile aka eji dizivu anyị everybody nwere mma ị nwere axe ị nwere anything come out to fight the government akarịghị anya anyị karịrị ha ncha niile.
If you preach until next year they will not listen. I am waiting for the day our people are going to be tired of bad governance. They are going to come out.
Let them come out now, not the day.
We have said let. They are listening. They are not responding. So, personally, there is nothing I can do. I've done everything I can. I've gone to universities. I've preached people. Obodo Okudi, Obodo Uzo, the Obodo Ayoko Adoro, Uzo Adoro. I want to go more than them. Nobody wants to wake up. So, in my capacity, I am doing everything that I can. I'm not enjoying it. I'm not enjoying it. You don't want to know about 6 months here. I am not enjoying it. So I want them to be tired of their suffering. They need to be tired of suffering. That is when it will enter their
brother, ndị Igbo a na-agba ọsọ ma mmiri na-asụ ma bele. Mmiri ga-erugide tọnda na-agba ya sị mba ya rucha ya ala. Nwanne mmiri ga-ama ha mmiri ga-ama ha oge erugo mmiri ga-ama ha mmiri ga-ama ha. Oh my God, otu obi ndị
I am in Enugu, so I'm in better position to tell you. And you will say, brother, mmiri ma ndị ba ka fa puta ilo. Mmiri ma fa puta bo na ma fa la window. Thank you very much.
IPOB member. Confirm IPOB member.
Brother,
okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. He's an IPOB member. Whether you are IPOB or not, you should be tired of suffering by now. You should come out and ask questions. IPOB. IPOB. How is your life? How are you faring? Follow politician. APC, PDP. How is your life? A policeman, military man, civil defense, road safety, whatever security apparatus you belong to. How is your life? Look at your life. Are you proud of your life? Look at the life of your local government chairman, state assembly, House of Rep in Abuja, National Assembly, the ministers, the senators, your governors, the presidency. Look at their lives. Some of them spray perfume of 3 million naira. How is your life? What is your salary yearly? What about your children? Your apartment, feeding? How do you survive? Being a policeman. And if continue to allow the evil to use you to cause mayhem on people, if you fail to repent, one day you will live to regret, even before you die. I can assure you that. I am preaching. I am appealing to security forces in Nigeria. Stop killing people. Stop shooting people. Most of you are shooting people out of annoyance, out of frustration. I've been to so many police stations in Igbo land. All of them are dirty. All of them are like refuse dump. If you can be working in a refuse dump, how is your apartment, your residential apartment going to be? How is it going to be? And out of frustration and all that, you've continued to shoot people. You know? I don't know where we'll go from here. Honestly, I do not know where we'll go from here. I want to go somewhere, but I do not know where to go. Let me try to go to India and say if we can get a call there. There is a local call. Good afternoon. No, it's not there. Should we go to Germany? Caller from USA. Good afternoon. Are you there? Good afternoon. Oh, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yes, go ahead. Clearly, I can hear you.
One day, good afternoon. Come to you on the very, very happy in a program. Thank
you very
much. I know one night in US. I'm a no be in a New York. Yotla mo utem God you who you are not commenting sometimes not when I phone day no grand and I see Ottawa in the US in the UK ne kuku. Moi now I am a member of this program. Moi was on grand na Yotla and na Libo. So always when you guys see Ottawa. One day our people need to realize that this is reality. Onya na wagina na na choka mri ma ihoku wezoku nwanne. Gibero no my village no now. Even men in the ban are saying one no come maka na tran ho ka isi na ate ya. One no come maka.
Brother, God bless you. God bless you. Game until now. Onye obuna na anu oku no obi che na anu oku no obi ko sa anu ndo ozo. Brother, I've been to places in Igbo land. Ina agwa ndị mmadụ, they don't want to listen. Hasiki sheba apo. No worry ife na alo. Na mali ife. Somebody in America should not be telling me, oh, Mwa non grand gana agwagi.
Yes. So I'm on ground now, and I'm ready to face this reality. I was in a lot of visit. I was on ground. I might go why and way back because time go reach when person no go feel leave this country or even come in. You understand? So you will feel ni ha na emena na ani okuno bi abra ticket lotawa now. Cause already go deny a lot of because ihe na when ogo alurole ogo erule no ụlọ. Yotla. So we hen na ko only ha na no okuno bi. Ozi mmadụ no dey. Ọnọdụ na obodo Igbo na agba.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, brother from USA. You said he's back. I know that. So for those of us who don't understand, I pray that someday you are going to understand. You have families in Anambra, Ebonyi, Imo, and all that. Mommy Joy in Belgium. Good afternoon.
Hello, my brother. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to everybody now watching Mokura. Thank you very much for Images program this afternoon, and I pray for you, Okura, yesterday night, that God will protect and guide your family. Chineke ga-guide gị. Maka and Okura, thank you that Images program today. Thank God that so many of our brothers and sisters now are watching. Because no them now watch. Today is not about Mommy Joyce talk. Today, if everybody can listen to what I'm saying this afternoon, it will be better for everybody.
Yes.
Stop praying for Nigeria. I had the message clearly. Stop praying for Nigeria. Pray for yourself. Pray for your family. Mboga na-eme n'ihu ka unu nọrọ n'azụ. Mboga na-eme n'azụ ka unu nọrọ n'ekiti. Ka Chineke ekwele ka member of family onye ọbụla wee nwụọ. Mana, if you are praying for Nigeria, you are doing a wrong prayer because you cannot pray for somebody that don't want to help his or herself. Nigeria need the help because they don't need help. Yes. Because it's something in our quality, something Okurora. All these killings and all this die that is happening today, something provoke the die. So meanwhile that the people that has provoked so many people to do what they are doing today are not repenting, they are still on their mistake, not without repenting. When you are praying for Nigeria, you are making mistake. Thank you. So many thousand people are watching today. Pray for your family, for God to protect your family. Don't pray for Nigeria. Nigeria is not existing anymore. Nigeria wanna bury alone. Nigeria can now. So don't pray for Nigeria. If you are helping somebody that don't want to help his or herself, it's not working. Nigeria don't want to help themselves, and there is no help. So don't pray God to survive Nigeria. Nigeria is not surviving because Nigeria is dead. Pray for your family to survive. Thank you to everybody.
Thank you, Mommy Joy in Belgium. This woman is incredible. You know, when we talk about Nigeria, the insecurity, the evil happening in Nigeria on a daily basis, it seems it's a male issue, but when we talk about family, Igbo land and relationship, you know, we seem to have a lot of women talking. This is why Mommy Joy is incredible. You know, she said, don't pray for Nigeria. Nigeria doesn't need prayer because Nigeria, the governors are still stealing. The senators are still stealing. The president is still irresponsible. The ministers, all of them are still criminals. You know, pastor will say, if you are willing to give up on your evil thoughts and evil attitudes and behaviors, yeah, you come out, let's pray for you. You only pray for people when they want to change, when they want to amend their ways. If you are praying for Nigeria, you are wasting your time. If Ugwanyo wants to be senator in 2023, Hope Uzadimma is already thinking of re-election. Okezie Bazu wants to go to Senate. Willie Obiano, only God knows his plans. Dave Umahi wants to be president of Nigeria. Whether you live or die, whether you are being attacked and killed by Fulani herdsmen, they do not care. All they want is their political future. What are they going to do next? Where? What position are they going to occupy irresponsibly? That is the thought of Igbo senators, the Igbo governors, all of them, the ministers. Everybody is thinking about political elevation. No electricity, no road, no drinking water in Enugu, no running water in Enugu, no clean water in Enugu. And you have somebody like Sullivan Chime, 8 years. Chimareke Namani, 8 years. Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, the worst governor in the history of Enugu State. In fact, since the old Eastern region, the old Anambra Enugu, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, I can authoritatively, I can categorically tell you that Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi is the most irresponsible governor in the history of all Anambra. I tell you, and I take responsibility of whatever I say. And once again, I have to tell you, I am ready to die for what I believe in, but a lot of us are not willing. A lot of us are not brave. A lot of us are cowards. Whether you speak or no, remember, someday you die. Onye na-edinye je egbuo mmadụ. Chika ọkpara si na onye ebele ya na-emelu bụ onye ndinye. Onye a na-enye ego je egbuo mmadụ. Na onye ahụ igburu na ihe isi ya jebe na ị na-abịa. One day, Mr. Killer, one day you are going to die. It's a reality. I'm not preaching. I'm not doing incantation. I didn't speak in tongue. I tell you reality. One day you are going to die. And when you get there, when you get there, you are going to continue with them. Whatever consequence, repercussion, whatever you face it there. So I hope our people are going to be reasonable. I hope our people are going to learn when to deal and when to fight. I wish our people are going to be responsible enough to face reality that is on ground. I am Okulora and I'm rounding up. I don't know where we'll go from here, but I'm appealing to us to be reasonable, be sensible. Stop following politicians. Stop following them. And think about Igbo land and the way forward. There is height of insecurity in Igbo land and it's skyrocketing. Gunshots everywhere. People are scared of moving from one state to another in Igbo land. And I don't know. Wherever you're watching from, write in the comment section. Tell me where you're watching from. Those in Singapore, Hong Kong, Malaysia, those in Thailand, those in Philippines, those in South Africa, Zambia, those watching from Kenya, those in Ghana, write in the comment section. Link up with a brother or a sister wherever you are and see how both of you are going to help each other. At this point, we Igbo youths, I'm sure that 80% of us watching are Igbo youths. Whether you are 40, I think 40 is still a youth, 45 is still a youth. You are, just say 40 to 18, we are youths. So write in the comment section, tell me where you are watching from. Those in Canada, those in Australia, those in USA, those in El Salvador, Nicaragua, Panama, Suriname, El Salvador, those in Cuba, those in Puerto Rico, those in Haiti, those in Costa Rica. Identify where you are watching from. And if you see a brother or a sister in nearby or similar location, send them requests and see how they are going to help you mentally, financially, self, and connection-wise. You help each other. You go to the comment section, you be honest. You tell your brother the truth. Don't go there to scam people. If you scam anybody there, what be I do? I got bug on whereby. You are going to suffer for a very long time. The essence of asking us where we are watching from is to see. You might have money, you don't have connection. This brother might have connection, no money. Both friends na comment section. Those in Germany, in Ingolstadt, those in Bremen, those in Cologne, Kaiserslautern, those in Darmstadt, in Heidenheim, in Wiesbaden, those watching from Mannheim, those in German, Manhattan, Frankfurt, those watching from Mönchengladbach, those in München, those in Hamburg, those watching from Stuttgart, those in Osnabrück, right at the comment section, those in Netherlands, those in Eindhoven, those watching from Amsterdam, those in Timbuktu, those in Hague, those watching from Morocco, Rabat, Casablanca, wherever you are. I am Okulora Igbo, and for the very last time, I'm going to go to the phone line before I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's go to Germany. Caller from Germany, good afternoon. Good afternoon, brother.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Please move away from your listening device. Are you there? Yes, move. Yeah, you are clear. Go ahead.
Yeah. Thank you. Not try can since
you are here now.
I can now reach you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, yene obodo anya kita na imana onejigo ana ekwa before dika ana egwu and I wish na onye ndu anyị ga my voice now because ị na-achụ nke nọ n'ụlọ is not working. Ndị sabo egbola anyị ọsọ sabo egbola anyị egbo ọ dị fulani ọ dị problem anyị ọ ndị nọ n'ụlọ problem anyị ndị sabo. So whatever we are doing, if Mandesabo Apobele eliminates, nothing will work. Every developed country, even over now, before anything harmony they succeeded. They eliminated the bad eggs and make way for things they make on a ground of ma. But Anna Hane, this about somewhere now ego sabotage mother. na sabotage mmadụ. That boy na iburu 2 days ago now. Onye eme ọfụma riri ya. Onye eme ọfụma riri ya. Understand? So any category, all these bad people, these guys within this and that, no. Prime ministers, all these people are so devilish. Like, I don't know. I'm not why indeed would they join in a mesabuina as in everyone.
Our people are not reasonable. When our people are reasonable, you can't even see who to bribe. Brother, Imudego na Apogo Musimbia will and say if I go to her with the money. Upon our people might say, who are you going to bribe? Who are you going to bribe? I Katani, Simo Kula, with 50 million. Mekukono Kuozo, Mekukona no one if you and thunder fire you and that 50 million. Our people are so vulnerable. Our people are too easy to deceive. That is, you don't even, you can leave these people that will miserable. Brother, Igwe cannot do anything. Governor cannot do anything. Oh, man, that is the problem.
Because here again, they have sold us out. Even our governor, our AZ, everybody is going out. We have been suffering. Cambridge, and people are dying. Look at yesterday, they massacred 20 people in Anambra. Girls, that's in the hostel. Have any governor came up and speak ill about it or condemn it? Nobody. But just Makamado, when you put on an law for their incapability of governing the states. But now for them for insecurity, I plan to the boy.
It's a shame.
Or no crime, nothing.
Funny enough, I'm not the money. Abu we forge that guy in him.
Nothing.
Obu this guy na-egbu mmadụ na-ezu ori na mmanụ gafia before. Onwere ifo me. Nwanne ndị Awụsa na-eje negotiate between Boko Haram and federal government. Mmadụ na-eburu ego jebunye ndị Boko Haram. Echikwa ha gba bọmbụ. Sheikh Gumi ị na-eje anara ego ijebunye bandit. Ebunyese bandit ego echikwa ha mee ọzọ ijekwa jeburu ego binyefa. Sheikh Gumi nọ. Sunday Igbo ho nọ. Tompolo nọ na Delta State now. Buhari declared Tompolo wanted. Tompolo na Delta State. They cannot go there because people there are going to fight with everything. Our people are there. That is the point.
Are selling also, of course. But Okulora, Onejigo Ketana, you know, able these arms now, Onejigo. Who puts the man can never. Since Sunday they burned down his house. He hasn't even commented or say anything about it, or even come and see anything.
Brother, Since the civil war, this is the lowest Tiger Golas in the Igbo. Ebe mekata, no chichi mekata liberibe. People who gods, ije wabe sitting governor oko. Brother, it can only get worse. It can only get worse.
Of course.
I am worried. I am worried. But I still need to tell you the truth. Orejiko. Sitting governor ka people je wabe yoko. People je break ya prison. People je police station wa yoko.
It's Onejigo. The only thing not there is what I can tell you our people in Nigeria is these people, these unknown gunmen sent from heaven. Amaromunda hawo. Ondola ne mehenka chuku na biko ozowafa. Ka lo wala nyo. Otago chuku zowafa. Maka chuku mata ndenda o sanga ne ego. I tell you. Chuku zowara mfa, ma nwoke wu, ma nwaanyị na ala ife a. Chuku zowa afa ka ha lụwara ya ọgụ.
Thank you very much.
The only thing when they na bongo ngene, stay home, stay away able ha na agba shooting. Because they're not shooting the civilians. They after government officials, security. When the security make put design there. You understand? Since the security taga afu ka yenwa, na ta afu, I no believe na ta afu, but I only things in our country. We have many things, we have resources, but I don't believe in that. Common road no fuel.
Somebody watching, please. You need to buy me. Somebody need to buy me fuel today. Fuel can now if I make your bottles. Somebody need to buy me fuel, please.
So please, anybody should stay at home.
Thank you very much. You need to be careful wherever you're watching from. Thank you for being here. I have to go back to school and tell your people to be very careful. Call your family in Nigeria, wherever they are. In fact, when they buy, when tell them momentarily to come back. How about Africa next month to God? Nigeria is boiling. All the very bad now. That is why normally I didn't make broadcast in the afternoon. It's at night, you know. So somebody said, text me your account number. I'm not sure I will be able. Just send me a message on WhatsApp. I will send to you, please. it will be difficult for me to type. I'm not sure I will be able to do that. So I'll call your family, tell them, like our sister from Belgium said, our mommy Joy in Belgium said, don't pray for Nigeria, never ever pray for Nigeria, rather, as she said, rather pray for your family to be safe. Pray for your loved ones. Do not pray for Nigeria. It is not important. Pray for Nigeria. It's not important. I don't know where we'll go from here. I don't know. I'm Okulora, and I love you so much. And I'm going to continue to speak your interest. I'm never going to disappoint. Let me pin it up at the comment section before I go. Or you can send me a message on WhatsApp, so I can refill. There is no electricity in Nigeria in 2020. There is insecurity in Enugu. Enugu state governor blocked one of the most important roads in Enugu. A road linking New Haven, Independence Layout, Presidential Road, by anywhere. He blocked it in Enugu. He's not concerned about the people, the plight of the people. He only wants to be safe. So in 2023, he's going to install another governor and go to Senate. My name is Okoye Emmanuel. Let me pin it up at the comment section before I go. Thank you very much. If you cannot find it, you can send me a message on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is there, 09017342796. 09017342796. Just leave me a message on WhatsApp. People are calling. Calls are too many. I wish I'm going to continue to take calls from our people, but it's impossible at this point because I have something to catch up with, and I still need to come back at night. If you want to support me, send me a message on WhatsApp. I pinned the account number still at the comment section. Let me go to Malaysia. There is no way I'm going to reply everybody with account number. I can't do that. It's impossible because the comments are going. They are running. Oko Emmanuel UBA 2088-357-384. Or better send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to send it to you. 1,000 naira, 2,000, 5,000, whatever. 200 naira is something. So I will continue to push. My position is very difficult and I love it. You know, the tension is much. People will call you, they are going to kill you, they are going to arrest you, they are going to do this and that. I am fearless. Go and tell anybody. The governors are watching. For police to tell me yesterday that they are watching me, it means that all of them, the military, are watching. But the truth is, on your police, on your army, on your safety, how much is your salary? That police barracks, more military barracks, on your police, when you retire, what about your pension and gratuity? Are they going to pay you? How much is your pension? On your police, this school, policeman, what do they do? On your police, your family. On your police, again, you ask yourself, the governor you are protecting, the local government chairman you are protecting, the House of Assembly members you are protecting, how much are their salaries? How much? Why would you take gun and take money from the government and you are shooting innocent people? It is very, very irresponsible of you. I love you, but I still need to tell you the truth. One day, Chico don't even need to say it. It's a reality. I am a realist and I'm telling you. And I'm somebody who believes you should get repercussion of whatever act you make or whatever you do while you are alive. Instead of not saying, no, I want you to face the consequences of your actions while you are alive. I am Okula Randibo. Thank you very, very much. And God bless you. I am going to see you soon. I need to run back to school. I was here. I was getting calls from Imo State. People were sending clips from Imo State. From Ibariam. You know, the fear, the tension in Onitsha. What about Ebonyi State? People are being killed and their bodies are being left in the bush. Bodies are being carted away in Ebonyi State. What about Enugu and Abia State? Uncertainties. And I decided to quickly run back and see how I can get our people who are available at this point to listen to me. It is very, very late. It's late night or early morning. It should be midnight in the United States of America, in Canada, in El Salvador, in Paraguay, in Brazil, Colombia, in places like Venezuela, Bolivia, Uruguay, Paraguay. So click on share. Host a watch party. The essence of it is when our people come back, they are going to watch the video. Those who are working and those who are sleeping, when they wake up, they are going to as well watch the video and know what is going on in Igbo land. Let me go to Germany before I round up. This brother had to go up about. Let me attend to him before I round up. Brother from Germany, you are not there. It is not connecting at all. So, should we go to South Africa? Where should we go to? There is a call from UAE. Caller from UAE, good afternoon. Caller from UAE, are you there? Good afternoon, brother. Odoguna UAE, good afternoon.
Yes, can you hear me, brother?
I can hear you. Where you are? Where you are is noisy now. Where he is very, very noisy. I love to attend to him, but it's very noisy. Should we go to Spain or should we go to India? I love to go to Spain. Let's go to Spain. He's been calling. Let's go to the brother in Spain. And then I'm going to round up. Brother from Spain, are you there? You are calling on both phones, brother from Spain. I love to talk to you. I love to talk to you, but you are on call. Let's go to India for the last time. Caller from India, good afternoon. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm
brother
there.
From India, move away from your listening device. Move away from your listening device. The noise is coming back.
Yeah. I'll move away from my listening device.
Okay, go ahead.
Can you hear me?
The noise is still coming. Switch it off or go away entirely. The noise is still coming back. We are getting too noisy. Just go away.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okoro, I so much thank you. All this while I've been trying to reach you.
You are here.
In Albania.
Thank you, brother.
There is in Albania.
Thank you.
Takamo na ndị ba ya amara ya na-aga on out of 100%. 70% bụ ihe dị on board. So ị na-achị iti n'okwu a na-ekwu bụ na biko nsogbu anyị wee na-abụ abụrụ Fulani ọbụrụ Hausa is enemy within. Is an enemy within. Yeah, enemy within. What is enemy within? When our parents fail to educate our children the origin of Igbos, you understand? Yeah. They find it difficult to stand for the cause, for the challenges in the front. You understand? So what I'm trying to say is that for we to tackle this issue in our front, we must be educated from our parents and people around us. Like everybody know, we have some different fronts that we get. We'll go there and get some knowledge. I'm telling you that if you go back to Turkey, I'm not about Turkey, yes. In Europe, within Europe.
I know Turkey.
Go and read their history. Go and read their history. You see how the caliphates conquered there, the foreign caliphates, how they conquered there. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
That is the agenda they're pushing now in Eastern region of Nigeria. So the only way for we to resist them and for we to conquer them is for we to conquer the enemy inside. If we are able to conquer the enemy inside and we educate our junior ones and our elder ones, Biafra. Can you believe that anybody about Biafra for a long time? Our people doesn't know for something years, man, be able to paper. The Biafra, our Igbos were gathering there. I can remember back then. They start asking, what is Biafra? What is Biafra? 50-something years, man, doesn't know what Biafra. We thank God for Mazin and Kano that came to liberate our people and draw us back. So what I'm trying to say is that the only way for we to conquer this force in Nairobi, very simple, is for we to educate ourselves inside, like our parents that have the memory of the war. Tell your children. If you can able to tell your children, this and that, they can't go out, they can't get away from that place. In fact, you don't know, let me tell you now, I've been in Lagos for years. And Yoruba baby for 3 or 4 years, Igbo very well. Because all are away from Mars. They can invest in our side. They can, and now someone cannot invest. All from childhood, from childhood. So only thing I want to chip in is I don't have much to say. Only thing I want to chip in is we should try educating our people, our children, especially our parents. Tell them the origin history from where they came from. That's how the Jews do. That's why today Israel may exist.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. I appreciate it. Let me go to Spain before I leave. Brother from Spain is calling from both phones, so it's difficult to get him on board. Let's go to Spain and say if we are going to get him on board. Brother from Spain, are you there? Good afternoon. I don't know why it's not connecting. I don't know why it is not connecting. I love to go to Spain. He's been calling. Let's listen to his opinion if he's there. Brother from Spain, I don't know if you are there. I am ramping up already. Let's see if he's going to respond. If he's not responding, then I am going. I have 5 minutes to be here. So thank you very much wherever you're watching from. Chukune memma. Akane ebuaha Jehovah Yahweh, Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Sikeno. Onye na-ebibi mba, onye na-ebuni mba. Chineke ndị nsọ, Chineke na-eme amara, Chineke ụmụ Igbo. Onye si na anyị bụ ndị ọ gọziri agọzi, onye si na ihe ike ama mma anyị, onye si na ọ ga-emere anyị ọchịchị obi anyị. Chukwu na-eme mma. Ọchịchị obi anyị bụ ka iwelie mma agha gị ugbu a n'isi ndị niile bụ ndị ọchịchị, politicians niile nọ n'ala Igbo. Chukwu na-eme mma. Anyị bụ ụmụ Igbo nọ n'ụwa niile, ndị Afrịka, ndị Europe, ndị Asia, ndị North and South America, ndị Oceania. Anyị niile isi na ebe mmadụ 2 na 4 gbakọ na ịnọ there. We are 1,300 people at this point in time. Na-asị ka iwenye mma gị n'isi governors niile na-achị Southeast. Anyị na-asị ka iwenye mma gị n'isi 15 senators enwe na Southeast. Onye ọbụla bụ politician na anyị Igbo. Aka ya adịrị ọcha na-eme fund people embezzle. Mere youth anyị niile ji agba ashawo, ndị na-eme nka, ndị na-abakọt, ndị na-eme nke eme nka. Onye ọbụla bụ politician na anyị Igbo. Mismanagement of fund ya or poor policies ya mere eji nwee insecurity na anyị Igbo taa. Anyị na-asị ka ị na-aya n'iyi tupu anyị nwa na-abịa. Someday we are going to fight. One day we are going to be battle ready. Anyị na-asị ka gị nwa bụ Chukwu bibie fa. From Anambra to Imo to Abia to Ebonyi to Enugu. All the political officials in Amba Toyota Prado 30. And Bruce Irene now. When people are dying because there is no running water in Enugu, there is no job in Igbo land, there is insecurity, and people are running, people are being killed due to poor government policies, due to selfishness, due to foolishness of the governors in Igbo land. Chukumonso, asege bahari ba toba, why not asege bahari ba bubaha no geri koga? Imo State is underdeveloped. Ebonyi is underdeveloped. Enugu is underdeveloped. Anambra is underdeveloped. Abia State is gota. Therefore, all of them are guilty. Let's not again afuni for afuna zizo. Again a man, but again with Chukudinso. Again bakane buo aha Jehovah Yahweh. Jehovah Rapha. We've tried to get our people to go and block all the 5 Eastern government houses, but our people are fearful. I am ready to pray. I am ready to talk. I am ready to fight. Abona gibu chuku. Abona gikerowa. Abona gibu abanwe. Abona gibu chumu abanye. Abona gibu chindane megide. Our mothers, our parents are dying every day because they cannot afford hospital in an OPEC country, in a country that have continued to export crude oil for so many years. Buhari ụmụ ya gụrụ akwụkwọ n'obodo oyibo, ike ekwere mmadụ ụmụ ya na-agụ akwụkwọ n'obodo oyibo. Chimaro Kemnamani obodo oyibo, onye ọbụla wuli obia n'obodo oyibo, their families are abroad, they enjoy good schools, they enjoy free medical and quality health care. None of them go to hospital in Nigeria, none of them. And people, they govern people, they took an oath of office to die for, are dying on a daily basis. Their bodies are decaying in bushes, unaccounted for. Because of bad governance. Bad governance in Igbo land is the cause of insecurity. Subjugation in Igbo land is the cause of insecurity. Stupidity of Igbo politicians is the cause of insecurity. And I'm telling you that this is the height of it. Since the Biafra-Nigeria Civil War, we have never seen an atrocity, calamity, abomination, taboo, anarchy of this standard in Igbo land. These governments, these officials have been so irresponsible. If you are governor, oburu Toyota Prado 30 naga, oburu military, oburu DSS, oburu police, anagba, afunwa anyina rife n'ụzọ, akwatuo ya ka governor gafe. All of them. You are a governor, you are a senator, House of Rep, House of Assembly. You are oppressor. You are going to suffer. Due to my health, I can never sleep without air conditioner. People who know me in real life, you know. And when sugar I condemn go a lot of things in me. Oh, chuku preserve mulota. Due to sugar me marona chamoko. So I can never sleep without air conditioner. So one day, I came back late. I couldn't buy fuel. So I'm sick of manage, you know, because I combine generator. Generator so got on on you. If you feel me, I almost died that night. In dinner bed. Ndina noche, ndina na nankete, 1 million euro, 1 million and ndina nenu. And I survived in the morning. I was asking myself, what about people without generator? What about people that own generator, they cannot afford fuel? What about families that doesn't have generator at all? They don't have electricity. How do they survive at night? There are families in Igbo land. They are 10 living in one room. All of them are sleeping in one room. No proper ventilation. No generator, no fan, and 10 people are sleeping in one room. A lot of us are so comfortable that when you tell them that people are poor, they do not understand. I am broadcasting because I have fuel, because I have a phone, because I have lighting in there, because I have internet. I was able to buy data. A lot of people are living from hand to mouth. A lot of people serve Nigerian government and the capacity of teachers, lecturers, whatever work for 30 years. And they're retired. Governor is holding their pension. Governor is holding their gratuity. And they are not showing remorse. A lot of people are dead because of their pension. A lot of people are dead because they cannot go to hospital because government refused to pay them their pension. Abia State and of course Imo State are critical examples of so many dead people because government refused to pay them their pension. From Theology to Okezie Ibazu, from Nocha Sokonocha to that breaching cream governor of Imo State. Hope Uzodinjo. If you are a fan of Hope Uzodinjo, if you are pro-Hope, tell Hope Uzodinma that I am Okulora. Say Hope Uzodinma no ga nwa jonwo. People are suffering in Imo State. Nothing is working in Imo State. Hope Uzodinma was busy placing banners of hopeism across Owerri. Hope Uzodinma spent more than 500 million naira celebrating 1 year in office, and shamelessly, almost all the bishops in Igbo land, my father, Reverend Father, I saw Holiness Chukwuma. I don't know his position, but I'm sure that Chukwuma, Bishop Chukwuma Emmanuel, is one of the biggest bishops in Nigeria on the side of Anglican. All of them are there. The Timbers and Calibers are there. Yemi Osibanjo was there. Senate President was there. All the big wigs in Nigeria are in Imo State to celebrate Hope Uzodinma's 1 year in office. 1 year of tears, 1 year of lawlessness, 1 year of madness. And they spent money that could have been used. Money they should use to pay people their pension and gratuity. They wasted that money gathering musicians to come to Owerri and celebrate 1 year of Hope Uzodinma in office. Hope Uzodinma, it shall never be well with you, Hope Uzodinma. And we are saying today, we are declaring, it shall never, and when we say, Father, we declare that we love you. We declare our everlasting love for you. And somewhere, we declare. Hope Uzodinma na ani Igbo ga-etigbu gị. Likewise, Okezie Ikpeazu, Willie Obiano, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, Mudefu Man in Ebonyi State. For putting yourself first, for making yourself priority, and leaving millions of people vulnerable, security-wise, hunger, no electricity, no good school, no decent hospital. It shall never be well with you. I tell you authoritatively, I tell you, thank you very much for being here today. And those who supported me, I am thankful. Send me a message on WhatsApp that you supported me so I can call you back and say thank you. It is very, very critical. It is important. It takes a lot to support somebody you don't even know. It takes a lot to give. In fact, it takes bigger than love to give. It takes everything for somebody to give something to somebody. Therefore, Abuni support you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. When I get the message, I'm going to call you. Not on my I'm going to give you a private call and say thank you very much for being a giver. Thank you very much for being a blessing. Thank you very much for being amazing, shining, shimmering, incredible. I'm going to tell Jesus Christ to bless you. I'm going to thank you for what you've done. I'm going to decrease success. I don't know where we go from here, but as the day goes, we are going to know. Thank you very much. I love you. I am Okula Randy, but thank you very much for being here. Thank you. And I'm going to see you soon. God bless you, and tell your family and friends. Tell everybody to stay safe. There is fire on the mountain. Even me, myself, I am being critical because something like that. There's a way, in Igbo adage, there's a way they say it. Things are no longer the same. Things are not right. Everywhere is fishy. Everywhere is shaky. There are drums of war, drums of anarchy, drums of bomb. There are drums of gunshot. You know, there are drums of confrontation beating around Igbo land. And we need to know. Please, thank you very much. Father, we declare that we love you. We declare our everlasting love for you. I was talking to somebody one day. See why our people just think poorly. Or seem that people are what they're listening to. People are what they're listening to. Music is the most important thing in this life. In terms of, take away food and water, music is very important. In any form of entertainment, boxing, sports, whatever, music is very important because you go to football stadium, they play music there. You go to a boxing arena, they play music there. You go to burial, you go to wedding, traditional marriage, anything you are doing in this life, music must be involved. But the thing is, our people are listening to the wrong music. Music before being you think. Our people no longer listen to critical music. Sigi Jomo, sigi no Naira Mali, or sigi no Zlatan. You know, these are the type of meaningless songs our people listen to. Nobody's asking you not to listen to R&B, Afrobeat, and all that. You can't. But at this point, you need to listen to Okwe. You listen to Obigwe. You listen to Chika Okpara. You listen to Rosemary Chukwu. You listen to someone like Helen Nkume, Chika Okpara. These are people who make you reason. You know, Kwagulegum Jupiter programmer. I was thinking that Nigeria juru dona FIFA John. It was a song of 1993. As at 1993. When I sing na Nigeria juru dona FIFA John anya. No ne wute mkpuru obi ya. Na anya mmiri juru ya anya. O si na akwa ka ọ na-ebe. Na anya mmiri juru ya anya. As at 1993, I was 3 years old. 1993, I was 3 years old. When I sing na Nigeria juru udo na FIFA John anya. No na anya n'iru no ọbara juru ya. O na anya n'akụkụ nke a no ọbara juru ya. Chika Okpara si Nigeria ụkwụ apụ ama ọsọ. Chika Okpara gụọ Igbo na Hausa Yoruba ka na ya n'obodo a. O kwesị na arụba kata na Nigeria owere ukwu si aba na item. I don't know. Oh, big kwuru expenses are kingdom. Obodo abụrụ igwe Nwachukwu obodo abụrụ igwe. Arọbịa big kwuru ya. Obodo abụrụ igwe Nwachukwu obodo abụrụ igwe. I think in 1995 or 94, that was when Obigwe did that album. Obodo abụrụ igwe, wherever you are watching from, thank you very much and God bless you. I am going to see you soon. Thank you very much. I'm Okulora.